You guys, one of the major problems that people that are looking for entry-level jobs find is the fact that most places are saturated with job seekers, and in some cases they don't have that level of experience that is required for them to get in. But do you know that there are lots of companies out there that are looking for entry-level job seekers to come on and apply through their platform? But the problem is most of these places are not known. Now, in one of the places I'm going to mention, you can find a job that can pay you as high as $400,000 per year on their platform. And you don't have to worry, because I have done this research for you and I've found some of these websites or companies where you can find entry-level jobs that you didn't know existed. So if you're someone who is looking for one, make sure to stick to the end so you know where to get started. Now, getting started, we're going to be starting with a company in Africa that is in charge of the continent of Africa when it comes to remote work from home jobs. Now, on this platform, as long as you have a skill that you're looking for someone to hire you, you can find a job that may suit your skill on this platform. As long as you're ready, you have your resume, you have your cover letter to get started, making your application on this platform. So they are more like an outsourcing company where they have a pool of talents that come and register with them. And once these opportunities come, they reach out to their talents and they make the application, and hopefully they get one that suits the opportunity. Now, their goal on this platform is to employ about 1 million individuals that have some talents and some skills to share with their workers. And currently they have some roles like the HR operation officer, the blockchain developer, team lead, and all these jobs that they have here, HR assistant and UX design, stuff like that. So you can see that they have jobs already for people that they may be applying to, and some of these jobs have urgent on them. Instead, they are readily needed for people who are willing to get started immediately. So that's basically all you have to do on this platform. So you have to join them as one of their talents, and you click here where it says join today, and here you're going to see their exclusive talent pool and what talent pool is, and some other things, including some benefits that you stand to gain here on their platform. They say you have endless possibilities, streamlining recruitment and continuous engagement and stuff like that. So they also have a place where you can create an account as one of their talents. You can fill out this information here, and then you upload your resume here to create accounts working with them on this platform. So if you are interested and you are in the continent of Africa looking for where to get started, then you might want to check out this company. The name of the website is Remoteli. I'm going to leave the link in the comment section, so when you see it, just type "seen," then I know you've seen it. Now, moving on, if you have a virtual assistant skill, if you have clerical skills that you can help out businesses and individuals from the comfort of your home, and of course if you have the laptop or any gadgets you can have to help you do your job well, then this next company is for you, because all they are interested in is in virtual assistants. Like, they hire virtual assistants that can help their clients, and once you're hired on this platform, you start working for clients from all over the world. Now, it is important for me to mention here that the payment on this platform differs depending on your location, because in some places like US, Australia, they may pay you as high as $6 to $11 per hour. And of course, the payment depends on the amount of money their clients pay them, because on this platform they have packages for their clients that the payments you are going to receive will depend on the package your clients paid for, and the type of job you're going to do, of course, depends on the package your clients paid for, because the jobs there are in categories based on the payment plan they have there on the platform. So if you're someone that has some virtual assistant skill and you're looking for where to get started, then you might want to check out this website. The name of the website is TaskBullet, and see here and everything that they do, and you should read about their culture on the platform. Now, to get started, you have to fill out this information here on the website, and then of course upload your resume, your CV to get started. And of course, on your done, you click here where it says submit, then you get started working with them as a virtual assistant. Once they have clients, they match you with, and then you start doing your job there on that platform. All right, so the next platform is one, like I mentioned earlier, that says you can earn up to like $400,000 a year working from their platform. What it means is that once they outsource you through their platform, you stand a chance of getting a high-paying job. Now on this platform, they are available in over 130 countries. Like, they have their pool of talents from across these countries, and once you have the talent and you register with them, they can match you to the clients that need your service. So if you come here on the website, you can see what is expected of you. You are going to be tested, so you have to pass the cognitive aptitude test, you pass English proficiency test, you prove your real-world job skill, and then you ace an interview or two, and of course you accept the job offer. This is the onboarding process that you have to go through to be able to be part of their team when it comes to outsourcing. So these are their testimonials. As you can see, people from Pakistan, Nigeria, Romania, Philippines, they are all represented here on this platform. So if you're interested, depending on your country, even South Africa, if you click here, you'll be seeing more of the countries here available. So if you find your own country here, like Nigeria, you can click to learn more about what this person has to share. Now going down, as you can see, these are the jobs that the clients are currently hiring for. As you can see, most of these jobs are coming from the United States, and you have to work fully remote, as you can see. So you can see that this one that says Dean of Parents is going to pay you like 400,000 US dollars per year, and it's going to pay you 200 US dollars per hour. This is going to pay you 50 US dollars per hour, and you can see a lot of other things here, and the jobs keep moving, and you can be seeing lots of other jobs available on this platform. So if you're interested in working with this platform, all you have to do is you click here where it says get hired, and you can see for job seekers here, you can see available jobs, and if you see the ones that matches what you're looking for, you can click apply now to get started. Now the good thing about this website is they will tell you how much you expect to earn once you get these jobs on this platform. So if you're interested, the name of the platform is Crossover. I'm going to leave the link as well, so you might want to check it out. So moving on to the next one, but before then, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel so other people can learn about this opportunity and take advantage of it as well. We are grateful to all of you for your support so far. So the next one we're going to talk about is one that you can find simple and easy to do tasks like translation, typing or transcription jobs, and captioning, and all those little tasks that you can do from the comfort of your home. So on this platform, you're going to be seeing those type of jobs on it. So once you go to the platform, you can find even subtitling job and audio description as well on the platform. So you can see everything that is expected to know. So if you're looking to do some transcription jobs, you can click here once you go down where it says explore, click on transcription, and you can see it says apply to become a contractor at 3Play Media. And of course, you can transcribe from one language to the other, like there's Spanish transcription, there is voice writer, there is translator, there's English transcriptionist. So as we were interested in transcription, you can see the expectation of whoever that is going to apply to this job. You must be at least 18 years, you must have written communication skills, and you have to have a good command of English and punctuations. So once you are good with this, you can click here to learn more about the job, and you can see about the role, the things you're expected to do and everything. And of course, you're going to see where to get started with your application on the platform. To continue, you click here. This is if you don't have any account with them already, so you can start up from here and start filling out this application form here. And once you're done, you can take on the next step of getting onboarded and getting the job, of course getting paid on this platform. So if you're someone who is just starting out looking for a job, these are the websites that are not popular, where you can find jobs, and they are less saturated compared to places like LinkedIn and Indeed, all these places. So you might want to check them out. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We're grateful to all of you for your support. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're looking for other work from home jobs that you can do daily, simple tasks, you might check out these videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.